Ладно, собаки. И пошли.
Видите, один пакет.
Открывай. Открывай еще.
Увидите?
Да, да, бери.
Алене брать? Да,
Саня, оп.
Спасибо, хлопці, дякую, Бога взялися. Спасибо, що даєте. Спасибо. Пошли.
Соседки можно на ногах?
Можно брать, да?
Берите, да, берите. Один пакет.
А бабуле можно соседки взять?
Держите. Да, да, по пакету.
Для больной жены нет?
А?
Для больной жены нет? Иди сюда. Может, малу я дым дать. Держи. Давайте нашу малу. Мало. На.
Держи.
Держи.
Пожалуйста.
Подвезли гуманитарку.
Спасибо.
Я сейчас матери тебя отдам, стой. Нельзя ходить.
А старенькой бабушке можно взять? Маме, она не дойдет.
Вот
просто.
да, давай, бегом.
Вот все.
О, держи, подожди, вон туда, подойди к мальчику. Вот сюда, дядя. Держи пакет. Сюда ложи. Оп. Уже хлопай на здоровье. Вот так.
Спасибо.
Давай еще же. Держи. Спасибо. Дайте 3 коробки такие большие. 3 коробки. Там по сколько пакет?
Спасибо, ребятки.
Пожалуйста. Давай. Вот. Хлопай на здоровье.
Ну так, давай что Дима, ходит. А у меня же еще девочки. Не, у меня девочки.
Поснимаем, хорошо?
Ну, дивіться, сьогодні понедельник, потім середа, потім...
Больше ничего не осталось, да? Только прям и работать
Ну,
получить.
тому що тут робити. За 2 нам подорожувало і...
Все, ну, хлеб.
How did you find out that the humanitarian aid is coming today? From the locals. This information spreads very quickly among the civilians. They say that humanitarian aid is come, and so people are queuing, coming up and taking it. Thank you for helping us. So there was no announcement. They just saw the humanitarian aid coming and that's it? Well, there may have been an announcement, but we heard it from the other people anyways. What do you need? What should we bring? There is a lack of absolutely everything. There is no gasoline. No one can drive without gasoline anyway. Thank you for bringing at least something. As for the groceries and stuff like that, what is the most lacking in the stores? In my opinion, there is nothing at all in the stores. Well, does humanitarian aid help? Of course it does. Thank you. Thank you very much. How did you know about the humanitarian aid coming today? By phone call. Just a phone call? So there was no announcement, right? Well, I personally haven't heard it. I live far away from here. Tell me please, what do you need? What should we bring next time? We need gas, gasoline. We need to refuel the cars. How did you know about the humanitarian aid coming? From other people. Was there an announcement? No, there wasn't. Just by hearsay. And what should we bring? Is there a lack of anything? Well, everything.
Ми сюди в магазин приїхали, подруга позвонила, сказала.
We came to the shop here. My friend called me and said she got humanitarian aid near the cinema, so we came here with my niece.
Кінотеатра отримала гуманітарку. Ми прийшли з племінницею.
What do you need? What else should we bring? What is the lack in the stores?
Нічого немає.
There is literally nothing in the stores. The shops are empty, to be honest. No household chemical goods, nothing at all, really. Thank you very much. Please bring everything you have. We need everything. Thank you very much.
Здравствуйте.
Hello.
Бог вам
God bless you, boys.
ребятки.
May this guy take some too?
Дадите?
Thank you very much. Very much.
Дайте
Let
я
me
вас
kiss you on the cheek, my
поцелую,
dear.
дочку.
Thank you, my dear boys. You're saving our lives.
Вы нас спасаете.
What else should we bring next time? What else? We need flour, yeast, we need medication.
Лекарство надо.
We will die without medication. We run out of goods and money. How should we keep on living like that? Tell me, is there anything left in stores? Nothing. There is nothing in the stores, and we have no money. Wandering around is all that's left. We don't know where we can ask for help. We can only hope for our fellow countrymen to save us. I was born in Lipetsk region, Russia, by the way.